Hi guys, how are you all? Back again with me, Naura Khansa from 2 Bantul Junior High School. Indonesia produces a lot of waste. So, how do you recycle trash? Let's see until the end of the video tutorial this time. 1. Prepare tools and materials. 2. Prepare iron plastic for flower with a size 7 cm x 7 cm and for levers with a size 3 cm and times 30 cm. We fold the plastic pieces for the flower 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Cut this part to here. One, 2, and 3. Insert the flowers and into the pistil. And next, we fold and cut with leaf shape. Wear gift glue and attach with leaf. And give the leaves to the flower stalk. And the last, stick the flowers. Ta-da! This is the result of utilizing used shopping bag into the beautiful flowers. How? It's easy, right? Thank you and good luck. Bye-bye!